For many people, this is what a normal day feels like. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, too many open tabs in the browser and in the mind. The brain stays alert all the time, chewing on problems, reacting, never really resting. But something changes the moment you put the phone down and pick up a piece of wood. Wood carving slows everything down. There's no rush, no noise demanding attention. Just your hands, a simple tool, and a natural material that responds to every movement. If you've ever tried wood carving even once, you've probably felt it. That little shift, like your mind finally goes, "Oh, this is nice." And that's not just a feeling. There are real reasons why this simple act calms your brain. So in this video, let's talk about the science and the feeling behind why carving works so well, why it helps you feel like you again. With the very first cut, the outside world fades into the background, and a quiet pause appears, one your mind has been needing. That pause is where the calm begins, and it leads us to the first reason wood carving calms your brain: reduced anxiety. Anxiety grows when the mind never stops moving. Worries stack up, thoughts loop, the brain keeps chewing on problems. When you carve, your attention shifts to one clear task: the grain of the wood, the angle of the cut, the movement of your hands. Psychologists call this a flow state. In this state, anxious thoughts naturally lose their grip, not because you're fighting them, but because your brain finally gets a pause. The second reason is clearer thinking. Stress makes the brain noisy and unfocused. Decisions feel heavier. Ideas don't come as easily. The slow, rhythmic movements of carving calm the nervous system. As tension drops, mental clutter fades. That's when clarity returns. Ideas flow more naturally, and thinking becomes easier, not forced. And the third reason is energy. Constant stress quietly drains the brain, even when you're not doing anything physical. That's why mental fatigue feels so heavy. Wood carving brings your attention back into the body. The texture of the wood, the warmth, the resistance under your fingers, all of it grounds the mind in the present moment. As stress eases, the brain stops wasting energy, and that energy comes back to you, not wired, but restored. This is why wood carving works. Wood carving doesn't calm your brain by accident. It creates focus, rhythm, and grounding, exactly what the modern mind is missing. You don't need hours, you don't need perfection. Just a piece of wood, a simple tool, and a few quiet minutes to reset your mind. Focus calms anxiety, rhythm brings clarity, and touch restores energy. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed lately, try wood carving. Start small, start simple, and let those first few cuts do what they do best: slow everything down. Because wood carving isn't just a craft, it's a relaxing hobby and one of the most natural forms of mindfulness for beginners. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little calm today.